And onward, Technivorous here, guys. We are going to be beautifying this a little bit. We're going to add a few fields and things like that. So let's jump right into the creation of the rest of our account setup page. What we need to do is let's add UI. We're going to go with TextMesh Pro for all of this because I am going to be using this. So let's import it now. Excuse me. TextMesh Pro is a package that lets you edit text and get really cool effects instead of just a flat font, basically. I'm not going to mess around too much with its settings right now, but I do want to go to my main camera, change it from skybox to solid color so it's a little bit easier to see, and then we will take this text and go back to our scene mode, get a hold of this, and let's see here. Stretch this out as wide as it go. Set our text to the middle there. Okay, I like that. So we're gonna need rename. Now, a lot of this video is not going to be having to do with cryptocurrency. This is just the setup. The next video will show you how to sew all these things together. So I just want you to be aware of the way that you do this. So let's do UI. Let's do another TextMesh Pro. We're going to change this one to 24. Leave it set to left side margin. Take and duplicate and move that down. So rename, name text, rename, pass text. Okay, so now we need to actually change these to say name, account name, and so we have those. Now we need UI input field. We're just going to use a regular text here. And rename name field. And do the same thing here. And rename pass field. Okay, I want these to look decent, so position minus 15. Okay, they're lined up, and this is what it looks like here. Right now, when we click the button, it's still not doing anything with these forms. We're entering a name. Let's see, I suppose if we're going to do proper registration, we're going to want an email address as well. But we do need another text real quick for a little disclaimer. We're going to make this one even tinier. And we're going to put it right here. Right here, and basically what this is going to be is so we actually want this and this. So text, password text. We want to change this to repeat password, and repass field. Okay. Rename repass text. Alrighty, so while we're in here real quickly, let's grab this text, rename, warning, and let's make it so nobody can miss it. It's going to be bright red. It's one of the cool things about TMP, and we can actually tone that down a little bit, add an outline, thickness of 1. Oh, okay, no, really thin. That's better. And alright, so this is what it looks like now. Don't think that red's working for me. Let's change one more thing real quick here. Let's do yellow. Alright, so again, all of this is not doing anything, okay? These are just set up. They're not actually punching anything in. What we're going to do is we're going to put our account name and our password in there. It's going to use that password to encrypt our data, so that password will be stored in our account in our game here. But that is the only place it will be stored, and it will be obfuscated. So we'll only be able to access this account through this game using that password. Nobody else will be able to get it. And that's important because we need that password in order to retrieve our sending key. And without that, we won't be able to send anything from this wallet to another wallet. So that's basically it for the setup on this end, what you need to do in order to get things ready to register a new account. This is going to be a single scene process, and once this is done, instead we will have a login screen. We'll be working on that in another video as well, so stay tuned. We're going to have that ether transfer happen in one of the next couple videos. It will take a little bit, but if you're following this series through from beginning to end, it is definitely well worth the wait. And once we have done it, I'm going to show you some really cool tricks for downloading your own NFTs that you can make on sites like Rarify and Rarible, and using those as tokens in-game that you can sell and make a profit off of. So stick around, leave a like down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for more videos. Also, I did put my Ether address down below. Feel free to send me some Gwei. Thanks guys, Technivorous out.